I found the easiest Asian meal prep recipes that will save you time and taste amazing all week long. So stay tuned, because you're about to find out at the end of this video how Asian meal prep can elevate your taste buds and save you a bunch of time. Many people struggle with finding time to cook healthy meals during the week, often resorting to takeout or unhealthy options. After a long day, it's easy to just grab something quick and convenient, but it's not doing our bodies or our taste buds any favors. The truth is, healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming or boring. With a little bit of planning and prep, you can have delicious and nutritious meals all week long. Meal prep is the key to avoiding that afternoon slump and staying energized and focused throughout the day. Plus, it can be a huge money saver and reduce food waste. One of the biggest excuses people make for not meal prepping is that they don't know where to start or that they're not good cooks. But the thing is, meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or require advanced cooking skills. With a few simple recipes and some basic ingredients, you can create healthy and delicious meals that will keep you going all week long. And the best part is, you can customize your meal prep to fit your tastes and dietary needs. We're going to break down the myth that meal prep has to be boring and bland. Because let's face it, who doesn't love the flavors and spices of Asian cuisine? The good news is that many Asian-inspired dishes are perfect for meal prep, and they can be made in large batches and stored for the week. So if you're tired of the same old boring meals and want to shake things up, then you're in the right place. We're going to dive into 3 easy Asian-inspired recipes that you can add to your meal prep rotation. These recipes are quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. They're perfect for a busy weeknight dinner or a quick lunch on the go. Our first recipe is a Korean-inspired beef and vegetable stir-fry. This dish is a staple in many Asian cuisines, and it's incredibly easy to make in bulk. We'll show you how to marinate the beef in a mixture of soy sauce, garlic, and ginger, and then cook it with a variety of colorful vegetables. This recipe is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients and can be customized to fit your dietary needs. Next up, we have a Japanese-inspired chicken teriyaki bowl. This recipe is a game changer for meal prep. The chicken can be cooked in large batches and stored for up to a week, and the teriyaki sauce can be made in just a few minutes. We'll show you how to serve it over a bed of fluffy rice and steamed vegetables for a filling and flavorful meal. Finally, we have a Thai-inspired vegetable curry. This recipe is a vegetarian's dream come true. We'll show you how to make a large batch of curry paste and then use it to cook a variety of vegetables, including bell peppers, carrots, and green beans. This dish is not only delicious, but it's also incredibly healthy and can be made in just a few minutes. As we make our way through these recipes, you'll see just how easy it is to transform simple ingredients into flavorful dishes that not only taste great, but also look appealing in your meal prep containers. And the best part is, you can mix and match ingredients to create a meal prep plan that fits your tastes and dietary needs. By incorporating these easy Asian meal prep recipes into your routine, you'll enjoy delicious, homemade meals all week long without the stress of daily cooking. You'll feel energized and focused, and you'll be saving money and reducing food waste. If you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to check out my other meal prep videos and let me know in the comments which dish you're excited to try.